thank everyone for accepting me to perform in this stage in front of you. I can really feel the support, the over never-ending love, and I'm really happy right now. This is the last show, and still I'm very nervous standing here in front of you. And last 2 weeks, I had this very wonderful opportunity to perform with Sir David Foster.
Yeah!
I don't know what to say. I feel very overwhelmed with all the support, not only by the fans, but also with the Filipino community. Thank you so much for appreciating my talent. I really love you guys. I love you so much. Thank you for supporting me. And what? Sample? All by myself? Of course, this is the last show, so dapat pagbigyan mo kayo. Okay lang ba? Gusto nyo? Okay, hinga lang ako. Okay, sample lang daw po natin. Okay po, sige po. Try po natin ha, try po natin. Yes po Lord, last na po to Lord. Last na to Lord. Bigay niyo po sa akin to Lord. Maraming salamat po. Okay.
Grabe!